Has your WhatsApp account been banned on your iPhone? It might be due to an app error or another issue, but don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to unban your WhatsApp account. Let's get started. Open up the Safari browser. After that, tap on the address bar. Type WhatsApp support, then tap Contact WhatsApp. Now, if you're using a WhatsApp Messenger account, then tap Contact Us under the WhatsApp Messenger support. Or if you're using a WhatsApp Business account, then tap Contact Us under the WhatsApp Business support. So mine is a WhatsApp Messenger account. That's why I'm going to tap on Contact Us under the WhatsApp Messenger support. Now scroll down, enter your WhatsApp number here, then enter your email address in this field. Enter the email address again in the next field to confirm. Next, choose your device like an iPhone. Then scroll down again. In this text field, type your reason like, "Hello WhatsApp support team. My WhatsApp account has been banned. I believe this may be an error. I've always used WhatsApp responsibly. Please review and consider unbanning my account." Then make sure to include your name, email, and WhatsApp number at the end, and then tap Next from the top right. Here's how to get your WhatsApp account unbanned on your iPhone. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.